Hey guys, it's Hannah and Jess Vlogs. This is our intro. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye. Boom. Hey guys, it's Hannah and Jess. Come in.
Hey guys.
Hi, dude, we're making a video. What are you doing?
Y'all are all foggy, that's weird. So guys, I just woke up from a nap and y'all haven't heard about anything that's going on right now?
No, what's all about?
Maybe you should look outside.
Oh,
Guys, we're
no.
Guys,
No.
I'm not even kidding, we're
Oh my.
stop being over dramatic. Like it's nothing that
Guys.
bad. No, we're
Okay guys, so we just found out that there's gonna be we're on tornado warning. So we're not really gonna be able to do our video because it was an outside activity. We weren't really paying attention to outside though.
Guys, can I say something? I mean, we can honestly just keep trying, you know? We're gonna make this video work.
Yeah.
We got this, guys.
Okay, because it's not gonna be a cancel video because we're not those
No,
native YouTubers.
we're not.
We're not.
No.
Yeah.
You need to keep on going.
Crowbird.
Crowbird.
Yeah. Crowbird on dude.
Crowbird. Okay, so
Do you want to just make a list of activities? Like, Hannah, get a piece of paper and a pencil. We're gonna make some activities. Okay. We'll see you in a second. Bye, guys. Peace. Oh, crap.
So we got ideas to do. Tattoos, bubbles, have fun, and take shelter.
Hannah, you forgot eat bee cheek. Oh, why would you forget that? Dude, what? You ruined the plan. You can't go anywhere. There's a tornado outside.
Yeah, you can't leave.
Yeah.
You can't leave.
Here's the finished product.
Whoa, Sarah, how'd you do that? Okay.
So guys, I now got a tattoo on
Got
my
some
face.
cheeks on your face. I'm just kidding.
Show the people.
Let's see.
You're actually gonna see it correctly.
Which one are you
Yes.
gonna get?
I'm having a.
It said yes.
Where did it go? Oh, I'm having a burger.
Cause she stole mine.
If you want a burger, eat a burger. Come on, guys.
Wait, Sarah, which side of your face did you get?
You'll have to put it on.
We're back ready for this.
Yeah.
So we're just holding this down, putting this on her face. Hannah, get ready for your process.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
It's on you.
I'm just trying to fix it.
What was that? Okay,
I
guys.
feel like the tattoo is going down.
Oops, it is. Let's see the final product.
It's supposed to be colorful.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Queen.
Yes.
Okay, now it's Hannah's turn. Hannah, you ready?
May you
for
hold this, please?
I'm the camera person. Of course, I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, come on. Let's get this done. Okay, Hannah.
I'm gonna right here.
Okay, then put it on.
Wait,
Hannah's big dumb. You have to take off the plastic. Okay. So the storm passed.
This is the final
Wait,
product.
let's see.
Give me that cheat. Oh.
Wait, look at
Give me those.
No balls, Jess.
Why would I do that?
Because it's water that's being wasted. Okay,
There you
guys.
go.
This looks funny.
It's okay, it's just clean water.
Dude, I got my straight hair wet. Oh my god, I got all of it wet.
Okay, guys, so we just got done and
Bro, there's something
fixing
on
your
you.
face.
I'm just kidding, it's the glare.
Okay, guys.
Okay, let's go.
I swear, if it messed up my tattoo.
Let's go see how it's looking. Let's go see how it's looking. Bro, it looks pretty bad out there.
You can't even
With no cap.
No cap.
Period.
Period. Okay, what's next on the list?
I don't know, I threw it at you.
Oh,
Okay,
we gotta do
so-
bubbles.
We're gonna do bubbles. So we're gonna do an
so-
aesthetic color for bubbles.
So,
So I'm the camera person, so I know how to do that.
Say welcome back to my vlog.
Guys, when my bubbles get.
Here, go get the.
What'd you do today?
Chilling, just nothing. What the heck?
Hannah. What are you doing with that bear?
Yeah, and why is there no bubbles coming out of that thing?
Hashtag Biscayne. Okay. We're not Central kids.
Hannah, your face at that.
Hannah.
There's even no bubbles in here.
So Sarah had already left her room. Her room is like more dangerous because there's a window. Hannah's room has 2 windows, but we're still gonna go in there because it's in the front of the house as the storm is hitting from the back. So we're just gonna go over there. So yeah, let's go. We gotta leave the office anyway.
So safe in here.
Yeah.
We're not gonna die in here. Right now, the storm is going crazy.
Yeah,
Like
and
we hear.
like we couldn't do our stuff
Yeah.
because like everything wasn't really working right, and like we couldn't get everything together in time. So we're just like really confused, and like the power might go out.
And
like,
our fence is knocked over.
seriously, I don't even know what we're gonna do anymore. Did you hear that? Oh crap. Okay.
Bro,
So the
go.
rest of- Okay, so as usual, the lights aren't working. So I don't know what we're gonna do.
Okay, so we gotta get in hiding.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like we're probably gonna be down for a while.
okay, we gotta get it in duck and cover.
Yeah. I'm not freaking restroom. Yeah. Whoa, dude, whoa. Okay, the house is shaky. We're probably gonna have to like, I don't
Bro, I think we're dead already. I don't know.
even. Let me vlog.
Okay.
Dude, I don't even know. What even, dude?
Now, if you can't hear it, but it's really loud and it's raining hard.
Dude, who's that? Oh my god. Yeah, Bella, so the lights went out and we don't know what to do.
Use my phone.
Okay.
Wait, I got this.
We got my mom's phone. We can build
Does she have a
Snoop.
weather app?
Let me check.
Yes, she does.
Okay,
If you know
hold
her
this.
password.
Hold the camera on it.
If you know the password, then
I don't know the password. Why is the phone so sticky?
Probably because of Bella.
Jeez! Tastes like chips.
Yeah, we need the weather app to show them how much it's raining. If it shows.
Dude, this is intense. Like, you don't even know.
Bro. Here.
Aloha, yes. How you swag, how you lean? I drop 2 purse inside my lean. I'm 2 geeks, I'm 2 green out, no 2K, yes sir.
I mean, if you can't hear outside, that's the sound of thunder and rain and the wind. It's the next morning. We stayed in the restroom all night, and we didn't really see what happened, but we just fell asleep in there.
Yeah.
So
We have a plane to catch, and I don't even know how the weather's gonna be. So we'll see y'all next time. So peace. Yeah, that's what happens.
But Sarah, I didn't. Yeah, you did. Okay, guys. So today, Hannah messed up my room. Here, find them.
Oh my god. Wait, guys, we have to admire, guys, out of this horrible timing, we have to admire one thing and one thing only. Our Crocs.
I don't want your dirty.
My Crocs are newer than yours.
I want. My Crocs are newer,
My Crocs are actually newer.
but I haven't worn them as much as you do, so they're new.